Okay, welcome. This is Berto, and while Zach's busy over here kicking my ass at pool, I'm gonna try and pour a shot. Thinking it's gonna be a little more difficult than we initially thought out to be.
We should try the Jaeger out. It's got a less alcohol content in it.
Try some Jaeger.
Yeah, I think I got room for it this time.
We're gonna go for the Jaeger.
You got toothbrush, right?
Somewhere, yeah.
Extra one?
Sonicare. But what the fuck? Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Fucking heavy. Oh my god. So apparently the whole bucket froze, which I hear you film making it difficult. Apparently it's winter. The whole bucket froze. Woohoo!
Okay, I gotta mentally prepare myself for this.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah.
This is what we do in winter.
Every Christmas Eve.
Keep that shit cold.